What if the cities of the future didn't just pollute less, but actually cleaned the air, grew their own food, and created more energy than they used? Across the world, this isn't just a dream. Real inventions and city projects are bringing the Solarpunk vision to life. Solarpunk imagines technology and nature working together, turning cities into living, breathing ecosystems. The idea is simple. Use what we build not just to survive, but to heal the environment around us. The biggest challenge for many cities is air pollution. Cars, factories, and crowded streets turn the air gray and dangerous. But in some parts of the world, buildings themselves help clean the air. In Mexico City, for example, a hospital is covered in special tiles that react with sunlight to break down toxic chemicals, removing as much pollution as thousands of trees. And in the Netherlands, there's a Smog Free Tower that literally vacuums dirty air, filters out the pollution, and releases clean air back into the city. But Solarpunk isn't just about high-tech inventions, it's about blending nature into every corner of city life. In Singapore, vertical gardens and super tree towers rise above the city, providing shade, cooling the air, and growing real plants high above the streets. These living towers are home to birds and butterflies and help make the city's air fresher for everyone. Milan, Italy built the Bosco Verticale, or vertical forest, 2 skyscrapers covered in over 20,000 trees and shrubs. These buildings are not just beautiful. They help cool the city, filter dust, and offer a home for urban wildlife. Even our roads and walls can fight pollution. In France and China, solar panels are built right into city streets, turning sunlight into clean electricity every day. In London, inventors created a special paint that absorbs carbon dioxide, just like a tiny forest would, while making old buildings look new. But the true power of Solarpunk isn't just in new gadgets and green tech. It's in a mindset, a belief that everyone, not just engineers or politicians, can help design a better future. In Detroit, old empty lots are being turned into urban farms, where neighbors plant and harvest food together. In Rosario, Argentina, ordinary rooftops and city parks are transformed into vegetable gardens, making fresh food available to more families than ever before. Solarpunk projects work best when communities get involved. Neighborhoods plan their own rain gardens and tree planting days. Young people are learning to code sensors that water plants only when the soil is dry. Artists are painting colorful murals that double as solar panels, bringing both light and beauty to the streets. No city is perfect yet. Pollution, poverty, and climate change are huge challenges. But every rooftop garden, every living wall, every solar-powered school is a step closer to cities that don't just survive, they help our planet heal. The real lesson of Solarpunk is hope. That technology and nature can be partners, not enemies. That even our busiest cities can become greener, healthier, and more alive. And that the future isn't just something we wait for. It's something we can build together, one green idea at a time. If you believe cities can be a force for good, share this video and subscribe for more stories of innovation and hope. What green idea do you want to see in your city? Tell us in the comments.